Hey, what's up you guys? As you can see, today's video is going to be a little bit different because I have a blindfold right here. You guys probably already saw the title. I'm going to be doing the blindfolded drawing challenge or whatever it is that we call it. So basically, I'm going to put this blindfold on and I'm going to attempt to draw a character. I'm not going to look at a sketch. I'm going to not pick out colors beforehand. I'm going to just take this blindfold, put it on my face, and draw a character. And then whatever character I end up with, I'm going to redraw so that it looks nice and good, just to make this video, number one, a little bit longer because otherwise it would be very short, and number two, a little bit more interesting for you guys. So we are going to get started right away. So I'm not going to show you guys because I only have one camera, but the blindfold is on. I promise you the art itself is going to be bad enough that you guys will believe that it's on there, and it is on there very firmly. Okay, where's my pencil? Okay, the only thing I've gotten out beforehand is my pencil. Everything else, the Copics that I choose, the line art and everything, is going to be purely just me grabbing into my case and seeing what I get. So, let's go. I really hope you guys are in frame. I literally have no idea. Okay. And then obviously it's not going to be a very, like, detailed illustration. Oh, where's the other side of the head? It's not going to be a very detailed illustration because obviously I can't see, and that would be dumb. I think this is the body. I can already feel I made the neck too skinny, and I also don't know where the neck is now. I feel like I keep trying to feel as if that's going to tell me where I am on the drawing, but I don't think it is. Trying to get some hair in. I want really long, flowy hair because I don't think I really do that too often with Copics, so that's something I want to do. Oh god, the eyes. So I think I put hair here, so the eyes should be right here. So I'm doing that mapping thing, which is also gonna not be great in the end when I'm trying to figure out where features are. Oh god, this is gonna look like a nightmare. Okay. I feel like I made that all over the place. I'm so scared, guys. This is gonna look so weird. Oh my god. That's like way out of the park, I feel like. Okay, so I think I drew some eyes. So let's get a little nose in there. And I think I already drew a mouth, but I'm gonna draw another. And I drew a body, so body needs clothes. I'm gonna do just like a nice little, do they call them raglan t-shirts or are they baseball t-shirts? I don't remember, but they're just like solid white, and then they have like the solid color around the neck and on the like ends of the sleeves, but not the whole sleeves. So yeah, I think that's it for the sketching portion. I'm not gonna do line art because I'm not insane. So I am gonna just get straight into the colors. Let's see what colors. I think I'm feeling orange hair. Luckily for me, my Copic case is organized according to colors. However, colors like red and orange are in the same thing, yellow and orange are in the same thing, and some greens are in the same thing. There's greens and blues in the same thing, and blues and purples in the same thing. So just because I reach toward the red/orange area of my case does not mean I'm going to necessarily get an orange color. I could easily get a red or a pink. So let's see. We're feeling orange hair. I think this is all my junk up here, so this must be my reds. Okay. I'm gonna try to stay clear of the chows because I have more oranges in the sketch. This marker feels dead, so I'm gonna stick that puppy back. Let's try for a different one. Yeah, this feels pretty juicy. Hopefully it's orange. Don't know which end is the chisel. Oh, I don't want to touch it. That's the brush. Now time to find the hair again. I don't know what I'm gonna do if this. Okay, I'm gonna go stupid because I'm scared about my camera timing out and me having to peek before it's finished. So we've got some orange hair. Oh god, putting this back is a nightmare. That smells so much like rubbing alcohol. I feel like I put way too much ink down. A skin tone. Sure. I don't even know what I'm going for at this point. Some skin, some ears. Okay. Let's keep it going. I want a green for the eyes. Is this green? Who knows? Are these the eyes? Who knows? I'm rushing against time. Red, red, red. This is a chow. It might be pink. Pink is fine. Pink for the shirt. Oh my god, my mouth isn't working. Okay. I feel like we've got some skin, some eyes, some hair, some color in the clothing. So we should be good to go. So let's see how we did. Oh my god. What is this? Well, you know, I didn't do that bad. I did get some hair in there. Obviously, I did get an interesting green color for the eyes, and I did grab actually exactly what pink I thought I had grabbed for this, so that's nice. The green is a little more desaturated than I would have liked, but I kind of like it against the red for the hair. I wish I'd kept the markers out so I knew exactly which ones I did, but so yeah, definitely the features are all over the place. This was meant to be her shirt. I can see that. This is her neck and her body. Her shirt's just on the exact opposite side of where I placed it. Her mouth does not look as bad as I was picturing it in my head. Her eyes are terrifying. She has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them from what I can see. Her ears are way off her head. But actually, like her head here and then like the hair on the edge, and it's a little out there on this side, but like it still kind of looks like her hair is connected to her head. So I'm gonna count this as a win. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to be doing a quick speed paint of this character and trying to interpret something out of it, and I will see you guys once that is finished. Okay, so here are the illustrations side by side. I just wanted to do a sort of like quick speed paint for you guys, not anything too detailed, just because this is what we're working with. So I have to say I kind of really like it. The fact that I was blindfolded and not really able to choose my colors properly meant that I grabbed for colors I don't normally gravitate towards, specifically with like the green in her eyes. It's actually like lionette gold. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I never would have really considered that gold color a green, but now that I'm looking at it, especially next to the red in her hair, it does really look like a very pretty desaturated green, and I might have to start using it more. Also her hair, it was literally such a juicy marker because I've never touched vermilion before. I bought that color specifically to fill in gaps in my chart, and I have never touched it since, but now I might have to start using it more. And I shaded her hair with EO7, which is yet another color I don't use that often, so I might have to just start blindly choosing colors of a specific family, I guess, sort of different from a 3-marker challenge, but still not really being able to see what exact colors I'm choosing, and see if I can still come up with like some nice colors and just get me to move out of my comfort zone, because every time I think I want a specific skin tone or a specific hair color or something like that, I always reach for the same markers, despite the fact that I have like a considerable amount of markers. So yeah, I might definitely have to start doing this. Let me guys know. I feel like I make that mistake a lot. Anyways, let me know, do you guys like how this challenge turned out? Do you want to see me try it again with, I guess, more markers or something? Let me know. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe, and also check out my Patreon. I'm adding a lot of cool rewards. By the time this video goes up, I'll have stickers added to the store. I have some stickers planned for March as well. I might do a early or mid-March release for those. It depends on when they get finished, but I do have a lot of cool plans. There will also be more prints. There should be pins out in the store by now as well, and I say that because patrons are going to start getting stickers and prints in the mail when they sign up to certain tiers of my Patreon. So be sure to check that out at patreon.com/SimonAESArts. And I want to give a big shout out to my patron, Elise Thompson. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all next Thursday. Bye.